Advancements in technology are providing new tools and methods for studying this elusive phenomenon. High-speed cameras, advanced sensors, and sophisticated computer models are just a few of the tools at the disposal of modern-day scientists. One promising avenue of research involves replicating ball lightning in a controlled laboratory setting. While creating a stable and sustained ball of lightning has proven challenging, recent breakthroughs have brought scientists closer than ever before. By using high-voltage discharges and carefully controlled environments, researchers are beginning